My name is Alexander. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Belarus. I'm studying French cuisine. I'm a student of the Cordon Bleu Paris. Before Le Cordon Bleu Paris, I worked in a logistic company in Belarus. For a long time, I dreamed about working in the culinary field, and I took a decision and I joined Le Cordon Bleu Paris. Le Cordon Bleu Paris is an amazing place if you want to get fundamental knowledges in culinary. It's very important that we work with different chefs. They have different experience and different vision of cooking. If you didn't understand the technique, you can come to the chef and ask him in the practical class, and he will show you how to do it better and maybe how to do it is the other way. It's very nice for us. And the diploma of Le Cordon Bleu is very prestigious in culinary industry. I choose Paris because the first school of Le Cordon Bleu was founded in Paris, and Paris is the capital of international gastronomy industry.
For me, Paris is one of the most beautiful cities all over the world. As Ernest Hemingway told, there are only two places in the world where we can live happy, at home and in Paris.
Le Cordon Bleu Paris provides the possibility of internship after degree.
I started my internship in Hôtel de Crillon.
I work in garde-manger, and my responsibilities is organize the working process. I prepare all ingredients, I prepare mise en place regards our menu, and as well I do service. I plate the dishes.
After my internship, I would like stay in Paris for a few years because I would like gain more knowledges and more experience. One of my main target is to have my own restaurant. I gonna cook French cuisine and something from Asian cuisine. If you join Le Cordon Bleu, for sure you will get a lot of fantastic knowledges and you take nice and amazing experience for your future career. I'm gonna finish my class and now I feel that I'm gonna miss my class, I'm gonna miss my friends because we spent so many good times together. It's unforgettable, it's amazing.